gonna show you 40 different ways how you can make your own money by yourself. You have to have another job to earn this money. It's easy, it's fast, and it's quick. All these tips, if it help you, please like, leave a comment. If it helps you, keep on watching for more videos like this. Money, the first thing you can do, number one, is you can sell hair. Okay, number two, you can do DIYs, like if you good at making like crafts and stuff. Number three, you can custom shoot. Number four, you can make your own lip gloss. And number five, sell lashes. Number six is sell clothes that you don't want anymore. Number seven, Cloutpay is a service that you can make money off. Sign up, you get paid $25 from them, so you automatically earn $25 from them once you sign up, so that's good. If you reference people, you get paid $10, and you get paid $2 for every person that click on your link. Number eight, have a garage sale. Like, okay, question number 9, make wigs for people. 10, you can, like, if they want their hair dyed or whatever, where they bundles or wigs, you could do that too. 11, doing hair. If you good at doing hair or whatever, like braiding hair, you good at sewing hair, you good at doing frontals, closure sewing, you can make money off of that. Doing nails, like if you good at doing nails and stuff like that, and you want to start doing that, you can make a lot of money by doing nails. You know, every girl wants their nails done. Like, every girl wants to have their nails looking nice, diamonds, jewels, or whatever. Even the basics, like pink nails, nude nails, like the white acrylic tips. Also from YouTube, like if you make videos, you get it monetized or whatever. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, then you can start getting ads on your videos. 14, Instagram. So be an Instagram influencer. Like go to people that have a big following on Instagram or whatever, and like ask like, oh, can I do reviews off of your products and stuff? And sometimes they would do it, and you can make money off of that too by, you know, reviewing their products, getting more people to them to buying their products and stuff. Get paid for completing surveys. A lot of people, like, you complete surveys or whatever, they'll give you like a $50 gift card or whatever, or they'll give you coins for your games and stuff. Like, you play games, you know, like if you play Fortnite and stuff like that. Get paid off of Facebook making videos. You know, a lot of people, they get paid off of Facebook. They have ads and whatever. Like, they share businesses, or they make jokes or speeches. Like, people watch your videos, they want to get inspired and stuff like that. Just make videos like that, like to uplift people, because some people, they need uplifting in their life, and they see that video, maybe they gonna like it, they gonna share and share and share, and your following is gonna go up and up and up and up. Why not get paid for something that you good at? Pawn shop. Like, if you go to a pawn shop and you want to trade in your phone, your iPhone or your computer, where you could get, like, you could swap it out and get money. Drive Uber or Lyft. If you drive Uber or Lyft, it's good because you're getting paid for it. Like, taking people places or whatever. Like, that's a good job to have. Question 19, babysitting. Like, if you like kids or whatever. Okay. 20, rent out a car. 21, you can find a seasonal job. Like, they be having seasonal job 3 months, like in between, like seasonal jobs, like especially like for the holidays. They need people, like for Christmas or whatever, for the New Year's, you know, even for like back to school, they gonna need people. Like, trying to apply for that. Just put a 3-month advance. Is just seasonal. You get a little bit of money off of that too, and just save it. 22, you get paid for working with Amazon or whatever. The realtors, they will pay you painting fan pages. Like, if you like a big fan of Cardi B, and like say like it's nothing but fan pages of just her, Cardi B or whatever, like it could be on Facebook, contact with them and you can get paid by like posting them, like, oh, go check this video, oh, they just dropped this, or look at this little cute little photo they had took of Cardi B or whatever. You can get paid for doing the fan pages, like of them, even on Twitter. 24, pet sitting. If you like dogs and stuff, like cats, you get paid for watching, like, especially like old lady cats. Like, you can get paid for doing that. Like, 25, if you good at like cooking and stuff, a lot of people, like, they advertise like, oh, I know how to make garbage plates. Like, they be having $5 garbage plates, $10 garbage plates. If you good at cooking, you should do that, and a lot of people will buy, because a lot of people be hungry. Like, they be starving. Like, I know I do. Like, if you good at cooking, I'm gonna buy off of you. 26, sell books. Like if you have old books of like school books or whatever and you out of school, just sell them. Like sell them. Like a lot of people will buy Blue's Clues, Curious George. Sell your old shoes. Like if you have old shoes you don't wear no more, it's out of style, like your Jordans and stuff, like sell it too. You could sell your Snapchat. You get a lot of views, like 3K views. College loan. Go to college, they will give you money. Like you could like buy your first car off of that. Like 31 Swagbucks. They allow you to earn cash and stuff. Earn cash by watching movies, watching TV shows, taking surveys, and even searching the web, so they'll pay you for doing. 2, helping your mother create and sell your art. 34, car washing. It's an easy investment. A lot of people, they want like people that do cheap prices. Like 35, starting your own blog. 36, ThreadUp. They always show ThreadUp, and you can sell your clothes on there, and you get paid doing that. Video editing. A lot of people want their videos edited, especially for the YouTube world. Like some of them, they need help, like probably like for intros and outros. It's good to make money off of that, because a lot of people, they do banging like intros. They be wanting it. Like a lot of people, like I remember it was a person, like she was doing hers for $25. Like you can't beat that, having a fire intro, whatever. Or people could film you doing your intros and stuff, and they get paid like that. Like if you're good at filming people, whatever, you should do that too. Like selling digital photos. Like if you good at, like if you're a photographer or you're an upcoming photographer and you good at taking pictures, a lot of people want like taking pictures or whatever. You good at that, you can get paid for doing that. A limit stand. Like if you want to sell. Question 40, do DIY clothes. Like if you good at like making clothes, like turning into a t-shirt into a dress or whatever, or to a top and some like shorts or a skirt. If you good at making clothes or whatever, you can get money off of that. A lot of people buy off of that. I think that's a good talent to have. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel so you can never miss a beat when I upload about certain topics like this.